Just a little more tweaking, but thick as subframe rail. I'm gonna call it a day. Gotta pound it down some, put the rails on there, and added the curvature to it, and it'll butt up to there once I have everything lined up. But this is the first roughed draft. All this will come together and I'll pound the floor down to meet this stuff. But yeah, original floor pans, as you can see right here, they stop right there. So I have all this extra strength that'll tie the rear to the front. But yeah, cool.